Today I will show you how to create a simple contacts app using C# WPF. In the main window we will display the list of contacts. But in addition to the main window, I want another window, the window that will allow users to create new contacts. In the main window I am using a button for creating new contacts, a text box for searching contacts and a list view where the contacts would be displayed. In the new contacts window I use 3 text boxes for name, email and phone number, and a button for saving contacts. From this button click Event Handler we want to navigate to the new contact window. We have to do is create a new instance of the new contact window class. Now open UJIT Package Manager console and search for SQLite NetPCL. Install this package. Now create a new class contacts, put it in a new folder. In the contacts class add 3 properties for ID, name, email, phone. Now we have to insert data into table. Grab the text from text boxes and save it to appropriate fields. Now open the connection, create a table and insert the records. Don't forget to close the connection. In the app class, put the strings database name, folder path, and database path. We can put these in main window class, but it makes the code cleaner when these are moved to app class. Now I have to read data from the database. For this I will create a new function, readDatabase. I will call this function from the constructor as well from the button click event handler. Now open connection using SQLite connection. So what I want to do is through the connection call the createTable method. The generic one that is going to allow me to establish contact as the type, of course to be able to use the contact type. So now to be able to read I will create a new variable. So this method will allow me to read the table. Call the toList method that will be able to get the query and return a list of contacts. Using link call the order by method and order the list according to names. Earlier we created a list view, now return the contacts to the list view item source. So we need a search bar to search the contacts. For this text changed event handler is very helpful. Every single time the text changes in the text box I need to filter the item source from the contact to list view to have only those elements where the text from that text box exists. The next thing that I will need is a filtered list, where method will allow us to precisely filter the result. We already have the filter list, which means that all we have to do now is the contacts list view and change its item source to be this filtered list. Now we need delete and update functionality. For that I created a new window, Contacts Details window. This window is similar to New Contacts window but with an extra button. So from the list view, which is listing contacts, we can get the selected contact and send it to the Contact Details window. So what we can do is create a contact that is going to be selected contact and assigned to the selected item for the list view. Again, we have to make the cast of these as a contact. There may be some instances where there is no selection. So it is best to evaluate each of the selected contact as not null, if this is true and only when this is true. Do we want to create a new contact details window? Deletion of contact has similar functionality as insert contact, but instead of insert we need to delete contact. For update also we will do the same thing, only changes update instead of delete. Now we need to save the details in the text box to the respective fields. Don't forget to like and subscribe, press bell icon for more videos like these.